Hi, my name is Paul Pasulka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 7, Section 4, number 26. And before you read 26, you got to make sure you take into consideration this table. Energy per grams of typical macronutrients. Your macronutrients being protein, fat, and carbohydrates. How many food calories you have for each, how many kilojoules. It tells you here. The table above gives the typical amounts of energy per gram expressed in both food calories and kilojoules of 3 macronutrients in food. Fantastic. Now what do we get? Down the bottom, if the 180 food calories in a granola bar came entirely from P grams of protein, F grams of fat, and C grams of carbohydrates, which of the following expressions F in terms of P and C? First off, if in terms of screws you up, cross out in terms of. And now we're gonna get to work. So, what do we need? Well, we know that there's 4 calories in each gram of protein. So, we're going to 4 times P is going to be your total calories of protein. Now we would have to add that to 9F because there's 9 calories per gram for fat. And we'd have to add that to 4C because there's 4 grams of carbohydrates. There's 4 calories for each gram of carbohydrates. And that is going to equal 180. And now what do you do? Well, we've got to get the F alone. So in order to do that, what I want to do is I want to subtract P from both sides and subtract 4C, 4P and 4C from both sides. So I minus 4P here and minus 4C there. And then this is going to cancel, this is going to cancel. What I'm going to be left with is 9 I said, 9F equals 180 minus 4P minus 4C. And now to finish it, what I have to do is I've got to divide both sides by 9. Now when I divide the right side by 9, I can put the whole thing over 9, but remember it's the same as putting each thing over 9 individually. This cancels, F equals 20. So if you're wondering where the 20 came from, now you know. And then if we look at all our answer choices, it looks like either a positive or negative 4/9 is taken out of the parentheses. So what's it look like here? It looks like I'm going to take out a negative 4/9 because it's negative 4/9 P and negative 4/9 C. So I'm going to write minus 4/9. And what goes inside the parentheses? It's actually got to be P plus C. Because if I distribute that negative 4/9, it becomes negative 4/9 P and negative 4/9 C. So it's got to be plus inside the parentheses. Your correct answer here is B. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with these like crazy algebra questions with a table. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.